Paano naman yung mga magulang nila? If in case ako yung magkasakit or mawala, may makukuha sila. Pero mataas yung probability na ang unang magkakasakit, wag naman sana, is yung mga magulang daw nila. Ano ba yung best insurance sa mga seniors kong parents?
And ito na, what if naman, may sakit na talaga sila and I know baka hindi na sila ma-insure. Meron pa ba akong option?
Saktong-sakto kasi meron tayong insurance coverage na nagko-cover even meron ng mga pre-existing conditions. Stroke or diabetic na, may cancer na. Kasi saktong-sakto naglabas ang Sun Life. Ito yung tinatawag nating Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, and in this episode, pag-usapan natin a very important question na madalas na tinatanong sa amin ng mga nag-inquire sa amin, especially mga breadwinners, because most of in the past 8 years na nasa insurance industry ako, nung first year ko, puro mga single yung mga kumukuha ng mga insurance sa akin. Pero nung binalikan ko sila after 5 years or after 8 years, ang pinaka-interested sila talaga is paano naman yung mga magulang nila. Okay? Kasi usually ang question is, if in case ako yung magkasakit or mawala, may makukuha sila, hindi sila ang problema. Pero mataas yung probability na ang unang magkakasakit, wag naman sana, is yung mga magulang daw nila. So, ang question is, ano ba yung best insurance or meron bang mga insurance na available para sa mga parents ko, specifically sa mga seniors kong parents? So, ang question is, ano ba yung mga best insurance daw?
Ano pa yung mga pwede
Ano pa yung mga pwede?
na insurance for seniors? So, seniors ay 60 years old and above. So, doon tayo maglagay tayo age. 60 years old and above. Kasi mahirap siya hanapan ng insurance, di ba? Kaya ka nga nandito kasi naghanap ko ng insurance para sa kanila.
Yes.
Okay, sige. Ano ba munang gusto natin? Health or life?
Okay. Tingnan natin mula doon sa pinaka-affordable hanggang doon sa pinaka-comprehensive.
Okay, pinaka-affordable for seniors. Insurance in the form of HMO or health card. Yan. Meron tayong mga HMO plans or health cards for seniors na prepaid. So, baka narinig nyo na yun. Prepaid cards from different HMO companies. So, meron yan as low as 800 pesos for the whole year. Meron ding 999 to as high as almost 20,000. Ayan. And nagdi-differ lang sila sa mga coverages. So, kasi ang prepaid cards, ang kino-cover niyan, either emergency cases. So, pero yung emergency cases, ang counted dyan is viral, bacterial, and accidents. Yung mga pre-existing conditions, for example, diabetic si mother, hypertensive si father, tapos biglang tumaas yung BP, dinala sa ER, yung mga ganong cases, hindi na talaga siya nako-cover even for prepaid cards. Okay? Pero yung mga na-aksidente, nadula sa CR, wag naman sana, no? Or kaya, nagka-pneumonia, tas biglang na-ER, kailangang i-confine, yan. Pwede yung mga emergency cases na prepaid cards.
So, i-clarify lang natin, kapag prepaid cards, hindi siya yung full HMO na check-up, lab test, hospitalization.
Yes.
Limited lang yung coverage niya. Either pang emergencies lang or yung isa later pang mga check-ups and
Yes.
lab test lang. So, itong una natin is yung pang
For
emergencies
emergencies.
lang.
Yes, yung next ay for check-ups. So, syempre, another concern ng mga seniors, madaming gusto ipa-check up. Meron din tayong prepaid cards for that. So, merong mga for check-ups, meron din for check-ups and laboratories. So, syempre, pag with laboratories, mas mahal yon. Okay? However, again, kapag mga prepaid cards, limited lang yung access noon. Pwedeng sa isang certain clinic lang, pwede ding a number of consultations lang yung i-cover, a number of lab tests for the whole year. So, ganun siya. Okay? Kapag HMO na prepaid cards. And, bago tayo mag-jump into another solution for that, I would just like to take note, kasi madami akong nakakausap na naghahanap ng super mura pero gusto ng sobrang daming benefits.
Mhm.
So, take note everyone, kapag siyempre nasa age na sila ng senior, 60 years old and above, limited na talaga yung benefits kasi reality is ang mga insurance companies lang naman, kahit yung mga HMO companies, they are not PhilHealth, they are not charity, they are still a business that siyempre hindi lang tayo yung covered nila. There are many people relying on their services, so they need to stay afloat. Imagine you want to pay 999 pesos only for the whole year, but you want these types of coverage na meron pang executive package, executive check-up, 'di ba? And confinement just in case ma-stroke. That's impossible na to cover kapag at that price point. Okay? So let's set expectations then.
Mm. So,
Yun.
itong mga prepaid cards na 'to, very affordable 'tong mga 'to.
Yes.
Yung for emergencies, ano yung range niya?
Yung for emergencies, merong as low as 800 pesos.
Mura, 'di ba?
Mm.
So, basta kapag lumagpas ka na dun sa 1 year na yon, wala ka ng coverage, bibili ka na lang ulit,
Yes.
no? So, i-renew mo siya every year. And
Usually one-time use.
one-time use lang siya. So,
One-time use
kahit
pag
di mo maximize, basta nagamit mo na siya,
Oo.
bibili ka na lang ulit ng
Oh, yeah. Minsan may magtatanong pa sa akin, paano pag di ko nagamit? Ano makukuha ko? Eh di, thank you Lord, di nagkasakit si mommy or kaya si daddy.
Mm-mm.
Diba? That's more than enough.
Yup. So, again, more of emergencies or more of consultations. Pero usually, di ba yung consultation, limited lang din siya sa mga clinics kung nasaan yung mga HMO na yan. For example, merong MaxiCare. So, MaxiCare clinic ka lang. Kung Medicard clinic, may ganun ba? So, yun. So, yun yung first type of coverage natin for parents. Anong second type?
Meron pa din namang full HMO. So, yun yung with confinement. The typical HMO, check-ups, labs, confinement, yung mga minor confinement. Meron tayo yan sa iba, pero until 65 years old lang talaga yung yung maximum. So itong mga binibigay naming solutions dito is more on the people na hindi, kunwari wala kayo sa corporate, you are self-employed, or kaya nasa corporate kayo pero hindi na pwedeng dependent yung parents nyo. So meron naman tayong options. Okay, so sige, doon naman sa isa, so we have HMO na prepaid cards. We still have HMO na full coverage. Then there's another one na maganda din for seniors. It's the medical insurance. So yung medical insurance naman for confinement siya. And if you are watching yung mga videos namin, we've mentioned it many times na din yung medical insurance, you can renew it until 100 years old. Yan. Kapag may pre-existing illness, pwede na rin naman mag-apply. So, it's case-to-case basis. So, it's best to consult with us para matulungan namin kayo sa case ng parents nyo.
So, yung medical insurance, ang main purpose niya is kapag hospital admission. Yung HMO kasi, ang main purpose niya, yung check-up, lab test, emergencies. Ngayon, may mga admission, pero limited lang. Itong medical insurance, minimum nito 1 million pesos per illness per year. Tapos, every year nare-renew siya hanggang age 100. Yung HMO, usually, yung mga full HMO hanggang 60 years old lang yan, di ba? So, ito, nare-renew mo siya, pwede mo siyang ma-renew every year hanggang age 100. So, pre-existing condition, mako-cover siya usually sa second year. No? Yung first year, hindi siya mako-cover yung mga pre-existing conditions. So, syempre, may mga risk pa din na kino-consider si insurance company dito.
Okay, pero syempre, di ba may magtatanong din sa akin, sayang hindi na pala covered yung pre-existing illness, kaya nga ako naghahanap ng insurance for them kasi ito yung gusto kong makover. Well, ganun talaga. Pero kasi nagbibigay naman at times ng partial coverage. Pero di ba think about it this way? Ang dami-dami pang pwedeng possible things that can happen. Madami pang sakit out there na they need protection from in case man, at least financially. So, di ba, why let that stop you from getting them a health insurance or a medical insurance? Yon.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So, that's the third one. So, again, prepaid cards, full HMO, medical insurance. Okay.
Yes.
So itong mga coverage na to, guys, in case of mga medical emergencies and hospitalization, ang usual na limitation is in case magkaroon ng death, tapos hindi nagkasakit, wala na tayong makukuha at all. No? And yun actually yung next natin.
And ito na, what if naman Josh and Marnie, may sakit na talaga sila and I know baka hindi na sila ma-insure. Meron pa ba akong option?
Yup, no? Saktong-sakto kasi meron tayong insurance coverage na nagko-cover even meron ng mga pre-existing conditions. Meron ng mga na-stroke or diabetic na
May
or
cancer.
may cancer na, no? Kasi saktong-sakto naglabas ang Sun Life ng new product nila. Ito yung tinatawag nating
Easy Link.
Sun EasyLink.
Yeah.
Okay, Sun EasyLink is an insurance coverage for everyone, especially for those na may pre-existing condition na.
Yeah.
So hindi lang ito for parents, meron din siyang for children with autism, no, we can cover them, no. And na-approve pa rin sila.
Yes, na-approve pa rin sila. Syempre, it still depends on the application. But the good thing is, wala namang health declaration doon. So, yun siya. They still have a chance. That's the good news. They still have a chance to be insured. Yung life insurance, diba? And with potential investment growth. Yan. So, na pwedeng magpalaki doon sa life insurance nila. Ang maganda doon sa product na yun nga, it can accommodate even those na pwedeng hindi na insurable for other insurance products. Pero doon, pwede pang mag-apply. And then, pwede ding kapag healthy, 'di ba? Kapag long life, for example, 'di ba? O kahit may ganitong sakit, pero they live for 10 years or more, pwede mag-increase yung life insurance coverage. Yon.
Yup. So, that's one thing, no, if ang kino-consider niyo is meron ng mga pre-existing condition, mako-consider pa ba sila sa life insurance if yun yung priority niyo right now, no? Ngayon, meron din namang mga health insurance coverage and life insurance coverage na pwede silang i-avail if they are still healthy.
Yeah.
No, meron tayong mga life insurance coverage that can cover them until age 100 or kaya mga health insurance coverage that can cover them for critical illnesses for senior citizens. And yun, ang maganda doon, it's a cash benefit that will give you big amount of money in case of diagnosis of any critical illnesses. So that's one way to protect din, no? Kasi yung prepaid cards tsaka medical insurance, deduction yun sa hospital bill. Yung health insurance, it's a guaranteed cash na pwede mong gamitin pampagamot, pambili ng mga gamot, or pang recovery, or pang provide sa family mo habang hindi ka nakakapagtrabaho if you're a senior citizen right now. Yun, meron pa ba tayong nakalimutan?
I think wala na. So, basta kahit may pre-existing condition, pwede pa din nating i-try yan. So, there's always hope. At saka meron pa rin tayong mga pasok sa budget na plans. So, all we need to do is ask.
Yes. Again,
Yeah.
if you have any concerns or questions or you're looking for a health plan, life insurance plan, HMO for your parents, you can click the link below and schedule an appointment with us. One of our team members will guide you, set appointment with you para matulungan ka namin. No? Again, this is Josh.
And Marnie.
And ingat kayo and let's ano nga yung ending natin.
Hindi ko alam. Ikaw lang may alam na ending na yan.
This is Josh and
Marnie.
see you sa next video.